Hi guys, in this video I'm going to cover about different way of to log in into the snowflakes, as well as I'm also going to cover in this lecture overview of interface um, of snowflakes, how it looked like, and what are the elements I'm going to cover in this video, as well as so-called we have the worksheet. So that also I'm going to explain, and in how the interface look like and those things I'm going to explain everything in this video. Let's dive into that. If you remember in the my previous video, you already activated your account, and after that we have some kind of a link they have provided. They said that save save it for the later, right? What that mean? So that you can see here, in this link there are the unique the your account information, and it is directly in pointing to your credential, your account. So this link you can save into your favorite, and whenever you want to practice, whenever you want to work something, you can just click the link and you will land into the login screen directly. And and you also receive one more email regarding when you activated your account. You will receive the email look like this, and it is you having the user ID and the login information, and also you have the URL. So this URL, if you compare the earlier URL, it's the same. So just you need to save it and in a favorite, and whenever you require to log in, you can use this link directly log in um, into your account. So I already click this link, and I land onto this page. You can see I'm going to provide my credential, my user ID and the password. Once I inserted my information, it moved it moved to the next screen. It log in my account. It looked like that. In that you can see here it's a home page of the snowflakes, right? You have bunch of information like worksheet and those kind of information you can see here. Bottom you can see how much credits I have pending. So as of now I have not used anything, so you can see the $400 is still pending. You can see here the home screen, search, the data, and lot many things. We have the admin console. So let's go one by one. So I'm going to cover everything. So this is the UI. When you log in into using your credential, you can see this kind of interface come in front of you. So let's begin with the database. I have selected the databases. Like you can see that they are the in by default you can see two databases are coming. By one is the system databases that having a lot of information related to the mm, the the system, the Snowflake system, and this is our sample database that is provided when you log in. This database is for our practice, and we are going to use this database in our future lectures and future videos. So explain, and we can dive into that those things. So this is the database, and if I go inside, so you can see here there you can create your SQL worksheet, Python worksheet, notebook. There are multiple ways and multiple things you can create using the plus button, and you can work accordingly as per your requirement. So if I move to the next screen, you can see, uh, if I select the database, and any of the, let's say you are very new to the snowflakes and you don't want to type anything, so what you go, you select the db and the table, and whatever the table you want to select, so you can click this option place name in editor. So this will look like this one. You can see the database is coming. After that you have a uh, database and the table name, right? Everything is aligned. It is coming as complete set in front of you, and you can use as a select statement and joining for the other tables, so you can do that. So if I'm going to select this one, let's say I have already created the created this select statement, and this is one query, and let's say you want to add another query in the same editor, so you have to be separated with a colon. So if you make as a colon, so it will separate two query in the same window. I created this SQL worksheet. So, and I put my the worksheet name as my first worksheet, and I have written this the query to perform operation. So as I this one I have written one query, and the second query it is separated by the colon. So we have a two option to run this query. One is you can start, you can just click this button, it will uh, the data will come in front of you by using this. Otherwise, another option we have, you just select the query. If you have multiple query inside same worksheet, so you need to select that query and press control and enter. So using that also you can get the result. And so you can see here their information about the what kind of rule you have in the right corner, and also which warehouse is running to process this computing this query. So I'm going to dive into this in next video about the warehouses and how to set up the warehouse and those things. And also I'm going to explain when we discuss about the admin console and those things. So I will explain the account information and everything on that video. So in the next video, I'm going to discuss about the warehouse, how the warehouse can be set up and those things, all the information. Thank you so much for to watching me, and if you like this video and in the information you like, please do subscribe. It will help. Thank you so much.